Look at this, everybody. Look. Doesn't that face look familiar?
Hey.
Okay, wait. I want to see a burnout. Wait, hit it. Not yet. Hit it. Let me see the wheel spin. Hit it. Gas. Awesome.
Again?
Yeah, again. Oh, you're gonna crash. Back it up. Yeah. Nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
About 20 minutes. And my son's never driven a car before or driven stick. So remember, go ahead, press the clutch in, start the car. All right. No, stay on the clutch. Now you're going to put it in first gear. Go ahead, take your time, boss man. Put it in first. Don't be nervous. Now remember the technique we're going to use. We're just going to use the clutch to move the car, okay? All right, so lift it slowly. Slowly, take time. Slowly. Okay, good. Now let off the clutch all the way. Relax, stay off the clutch, just steer the car. See, the car is driving this step. No, clutch. Remember, clutch.
Oh.
Yeah, because if you don't step on the clutch, it's going to stall. Or you could just put it in neutral here, okay?
Okay, so
all right.
What do I do now?
All right, do it again. Now try to do it backwards. Remember, that's the trick. We're going to go back and forth till you get comfortable. So do the same thing, but do reverse now. So start the car again. Put it in reverse. Remember. All right, now go ahead and lift the clutch slowly. Slowly till you feel it start moving. Go ahead. Okay. All right, I'll help you steer. All right. I just want you to back to me out at the garage and then I'll take the rest, okay? Just back it out a little bit. All right?
Weird way to get in the car.
Yeah, because I have 3 cars in the garage. So go ahead, crank it up. Remember, clutch.
What's supposed to happen?
You're on the gas.
Oh.
Relax, it's okay. It's okay. All right, so clutch and reverse. Remember, clutch have to be all the way in. All the way in. Remember, push it all the way over because this is a 6-speed. And down. Good. And then just raise it up slowly. Go ahead. Go. Let it go. Yeah, go ahead. Keep going. Clutch. Brakes. Okay, it's all right. Not bad. That's the first warm-up. I mean, Yeah, just go ahead and put it in neutral and start it back up. We're just going to let it run for a little bit and warm up. Yeah, this one seat situation is a little too difficult because you can't reach the pedal, so we're not going to let you mess with this one. We're just going to take the Miata out for some more lessons then. You the man, Papa. You in charge. You do what you want. Crushing it, boss man. All right, put it back over there by the cones. Good job, you saved it. See? Just like I taught you. Clutch in when it's about to stall. Oh, man. My son's amazing. Look at that. See? Stopping fine, moving fine. Want to take a break now? Because you've been doing good. All right, let's take a break and then we'll head to my job. Turn it off. Good job. All right, we'll take a break and reflect and wallow in the awesomeness that you did today. Dab it. Killing it. Are you ready? Put it in first. What do you mean, what are we doing? We're about to race down the alley. Rev it up. Let's go.
All the way where?
We're just going to do like first gear race. Don't be scared. Fast and Furious. Let's do it.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready for this? Yes, you are. Hang tight. Go. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just kidding. So we out here Sunday cruising with the kids. Rory over here driving the Miata. Gracie over there driving the Mustang. I'll let her move first, then you move. Go ahead.
Oh, wait.
Oh, Gracie's driving over there. Oh, don't look. Yeah, good. There you go.
Oh, she struggles right there.
Go. Well, he's trying to make her know how to stop and start again,
Oh.
which is something you need to do too. Even though the car's not idling properly, you have to figure out how to make it work. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Have to be in all the way. Yeah.
She already know how to turn on her first time.
Yeah.
So.
She probably already has driving experience. You're learning everything at once.
Oh.
You're learning how to drive stick and how to turn everything at the same time.
Oh. I think he's like helping her with the stick and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at them kids driving around. Look at them kids driving around. We out here teaching these kids how to drive stick. Look at them. After they do a couple of laps, I'm gonna tell Grace to drive it so she can get a different feel. Make sure you stop here. Yeah. Stop here. Stop. Stop completely. Look left, look right, then pull forward. Okay? Now pull forward. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. So every time you come around, make sure you stop there. Go around 2 more times and then switch drivers. To get a different angle. Make sure you come to a complete stop. All right, make sure it's clear and then go forward. Oh, it died again. Oh, you're telling him to use his blinkers? Okay.
Yeah, so
go ahead.
When you're about
Go
to
forward.
left, you gotta put your left.
Ah, this piece of crap. Go. Complete stop right here. All right, that's good. That's fine.
I'm going to Jackson.
Okay, switch. Your turn to drive.
This car?
Yep. Go ahead.
You
Switch
crazy
it up.
kids.
Go. Let's see if you can handle this idling issue here. See if you get a better handle on it.
Oh, it's so small. I can't do anything.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah. She put her blinker on. She got her blinker on. Look at them tire marks. Complete stop. Nope. No stop? Okay. She's like, nope, no stop. Keep going. See, that's a different car to drive. She likes it. Yes, I could tell. Yo, she launched that shit. These are our kids.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Stop right here, stop right here. Stop right here. Ah, it died. Okay, start it back up. Straighten it out. Yeah, this doesn't have power steering, so it's a little hard. Yeah, this is straight. All right, start. Yeah,
okay.
that tells you. Yeah, so start it up. This thing's hard for them to handle too. It's hard to turn it. All right, start it up, Gracie. Go ahead. Don't worry about this.
Hey, back up. I'm
Back
taking
up. Yeah, she's about to take off. All right. All right. She did it on purpose. That's why she told you to back up. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do a bigger one. Come back here again. Come on. You're good. Yeah. Nah, it's not you. Trust me. It's this car. It's a little trickier because the idling. The idling is hard to get it. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Start it up again. Yeah.
Gotta give him
The Civic is easier. Start it up again, Gracie. Go ahead. Put it. Oh, you're in second. That's why. You're in second. Yeah. She was in second. That's why. Go ahead. All right, wait. Line it up. Line it up. Stop. Stop. Right there. Right there. Straight. Stop. Right there.
If I would have kept with the gas.
Yeah, it would have kept spinning. And then, you know, when you go far enough, then you let go. Oh, wow, look at that beautiful Rainier.
I've never driven. Oh, look at that.
I know.
I've never driven a Miata, period.
It's a stick. It doesn't matter. They're all the same. Just drive it before this damn battery runs out. Got it?
I remember I used to be used to this. I remember Jimmy hated this. Wait, I think it's just a fart. I can't.
Oh, that made you want to fart?
Yeah. Felt like I was about to.
Ray, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this Miata right here?
Garbage. If this guy wants to trade hatches.
Garbage.
It's what?
Garbage.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
It's Panda Express though. You love Panda Express.
Color.
No?
Design. Garbage.
Yeah, work your way from the top to the bottom. Is it too powerful for you?